Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at how to snag a discount code for the lucky few over at fundednext.com. First, head over to the site and log in. If you haven't joined the club yet, just create an account. It only takes a few minutes, which is likely less time than you spend scrolling through your ex's vacation photos. Once you've reached the dashboard, go ahead and track down the Refer and Earn section. Inside this area, you'll find your personal referral code or link. Think of this as your very own digital currency for sharing discounts. Copy that link and start sharing it like your life depends on it. You can message your friends or post it on social media because your followers definitely aren't tired of seeing referral links in their feed yet. The more you share, the more rewards you pile up. When someone finally uses your code at checkout, both of you get rewarded. Usually, the discount sits between 5% and 15%, depending on the current offers or how many people you've managed to convince. It's a simple way to help your friends save money while looking like a total financial guru. Keep sharing to maximize those rewards and help others save a few bucks. And that's it. Thanks for watching.